Here we are, making delicious tempe basa kalas or tempe with coconut and Balinese cooking paste. And especially here, we are using tempe undis and tempe tolo from Tempe Man.
Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I have very special guest. It's from Tempe Man. Here it is.
Hello, my name is Benny. You can call me Tempe Man. And today we will cook tempe with Balinese spices. So stay tuned, yeah.
So today we have two different type of tempes we're going to use. One is called tolo beans and undis beans. You would like to know how to make tempe homemade? Don't forget to go to the Tempe Man, and Pak Benny will teach you how to make it.